Hey, hi guys, I'm in the Kauai airport and I have a layover to Honolulu before going to Tokyo. This doesn't feel real. Quick little hotel room tour. So this is where you'd walk in, have the bed. I just love how there's so much warm lighting. And then walk in here, this is the bathroom. Walk in, TV. We've got the sink, and here's a little desk area. Got some PJs. I still have my Japan PJs from last time I was here. What I got from 7-Eleven, my first 7-Eleven run out of many. Got a water because I'm severely dehydrated. Like sandwich. These, I think they're sweet potato chips. They look really delicious. For a sweet treat, I got this matcha cookie. It's so simple, yet they just do it so well. Now we're gonna try. They are indeed sweet potato chips, and they are also indeed fire. Already in food coma, but we need to try the matcha. I don't really have high expectations for this. I think it's the packaging that's throwing me off. I'm so happy. Okay, those bedazzled shoes may be ridiculous, but I think I'm in love with them. This is insane. I just tried them on TikTok, so go follow my TikTok. Look at that texture. It's the bread that makes it. And also the filling of the egg salad is amazing. I know I'm gonna watch back this video and probably cry. Currently in Shinjuku, and I'm meeting up with a friend that I met in Barcelona during my first solo travel this past summer. She lives in Tokyo, so we're gonna go get some matcha, and then we're going to a museum, and then we're getting omakase for dinner. Excited!
The whole thing?
full day 2 in Tokyo. We're rocking an all white outfit today. Got the new Adidas that match my purse. These pants that I actually got in Osaka. Barefaced, no makeup because I have a facial at 12. On my way to Little House Tokyo. Apparently they have really good matchas. I tried going here yesterday, but they were closed. So this is attempt number 2. And I will be stopping at 7-Eleven after for a quick breakfast. Okay, my facial is done. A little red. She told me I also have sensitive skin and dry skin, which I did not know, and they recommended a few products. Filmed a get ready with me, but this is my outfit for today. These are my Jins glasses that I got new lenses for. These are blue light instead of prescription now. Currently in Roppongi, and I'm going to Wasachi. Okay, this concludes this portion of my Tokyo vlog. I am on my way to Yokohama. I've got a carry-on and an oversized suitcase and my bag with me. I am Ubering to the first station because I would rather not have a transfer. But then I'm taking the train to, where's my Uber?